Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. Hope you all are safe and doing well. Okay guys, so before starting this video, I want to thank all the people who have subscribed this channel and who has sent so beautiful comment. Thank you so much guys for that. You know what, when you start anything new and people supports you at that time, it feels so great and motivating. Thank you so much guys for that. Okay, so today's video is about one interesting temple in Gujarat. Have you heard about any submerging or disappearing temple? So there is one temple in Gujarat which gets submerged into water like twice a day. Means 2 times a day you won't find any temple there. Everywhere there will be water. While rest of the day temple is there, you can go inside, you can do your worship. I'm talking about Sambeshwar Mahadev temple. Kavi Kamboi region, which is approximately 75 km away from Vadodara. You know guys, the architecture of this temple is very simple, but its extraordinary and unique part is that it's disappearing and reappearing thing. So is there a magic behind it? No guys, there is no magic, it's all scientific. You know, this temple is located between the shore of Arabian Sea and the Bay of Cambay. So whenever there is a high tide, so that temples get submerged into water, so you won't find any temple over there. But once the water level is low, you can easily see the temple, you can go inside, you can do your worship. Yeah, but you can definitely say that it's totally a magic of nature. Now you must be wondering whether there is any story behind this temple. So according to one of the mythological stories, the Shivlingas in the temple were installed by Lord Kartikeya, who is the son of Lord Shiva. So the story is that once there was one demon named Tarkasur who was a true devoter of Lord Shiva and who had pleased him by his worship and had asked him a boon that he can get killed only by the hand of Lord Shiva's son, and that child should not be more than 6 days old. Lord Shiva had granted him a boon. Now that demon had started killing people, he had started, destroying the world. Now all the rishis, all the devas got panicked and they went to Lord Shiva and asked him to do something about it. Then Lord Kartikeya was born, and at the age of 6 days, means when Kartikeya was 6 days old, he had killed that demon. But after killing him, he started feeling guilty about it because ultimately he felt that that demon was a true devoter of Lord Shiva. So Lord Kartikeya went to Lord Vishnu and told him about this. So Lord Vishnu had advised him, first he said, there is no harm in killing demon who was destroying the world. However, Lord Kartikeya can install some Shivlingas there at that place and start worshipping it. So then this temple was built. So guys, this temple, this place is not only a worshipping place. Obviously it is, means people go there to worship, but apart from that, the experience of seeing that temple getting submerged into water and again reappear is really amazing. It's mesmerizing guys. And because of that, it is advisable to plan a whole day tour so that you will get an experience to see that temple getting submerged into water, and once it reappear, you can go inside, you can perform your puja. So also the darshan time of this temple is updated on its website. But then also I would advise to plan a whole day tour, so it would be much easier for you to have a better experience. So this is about the interesting temple in Gujarat. I hope you have liked it. So whenever you plan a trip to Gujarat, do visit this place, do visit this temple. It's really worth visiting guys. So I hope you have liked this video as well. If you have liked it, then please press the like button and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. And yeah, also share this video with your friends and family members as well, so that whenever they plan a trip, they will make sure to visit this temple as well. So yeah, I'll come up with some new videos soon. Till then, bye guys, take care.